I've been a physical therapist 15 years, and this has been the best thing for my patients. We all want to get back to exercising and doing what we love, and dry needling is that one thing that can help restore motion in the least amount of time. I've seen everything. People with neck pain, back pain, knee pain, shoulder pain, arthritis, sciatica, all these things, they involve your muscles. And if your muscles are not moving and they're not stretching and flexing correctly, then you're going to continue to go into this vicious cycle of getting more and more stiff. This is one of the best things to relieve muscle tension.
I'm Bryce. I came in a few months ago with a shoulder injury from climbing. Cristi recommended dry needling. I never tried it before. I was a little skeptical at first, but it has been wonderful.
I had shoulder problems for a long time, and since I've started dry needling, I swear it's the only thing that provides effective and lasting relief.
And I worked with Cristi a few times, and now I know that it's possible and I have hope.
I'm a runner and I've been trying dry needling. This has been phenomenal, and Cristi's been amazing.
Trigger points are these like little taut bands that develop within a muscle that hasn't been contracting and stretching the way it should be. Dry needling is not acupuncture. Dry needling is using thin filiform needles inserted into the muscle trigger point, and within seconds it's released. There is a huge twitch response, usually that is not comfortable. And once a twitch response is elicited, the trigger point is gone. After successful needling, blood resumes into the muscle and the muscle fiber heals better. And within a week, the muscle fiber looks a lot different than it did a week before. We all have jobs. They are sitting at a desk for over 8 hours a day. A lot of the patients I see have a lot of tension along their back, and they have done everything to try to help the pain. They've gone to go get MRIs, x-rays, everything's normal. They still have this pain. What could it be? They're so frustrated. The muscle needs to be reconditioned and reset. And that's what dry needling does. Dry needling gets to the root muscle that's in spasm. It releases the trigger point, and the patient is able to move the way they need to. Get back to their sport, get back to life. When they come to me and we do one dry needling session, immediately they have better range of motion, and this helps the patient move better and feel better. Athletes are constantly using their body, and sometimes the muscle is just so strained and they don't have enough time to recover. Dry needling is like the thing to help stimulate the muscle to recover and increase blood flow. The patient is sore, but they perform so much better 2 days later. Every single joint is surrounded by muscle. Dry needling could possibly help somebody with a joint dysfunction or joint pain, because the tissue around there needs to heal to improve the mechanics of the joint.
This is my third session now to clear up some issues with my IT band and hip, and I couldn't recommend it more. It's been wondrous for me.
I'm up to about 80% of what I was before with climbing, and when I came in I was at about 20. So it works, it increases recovery speed. It hurts, but it's good.
We all want to get back to exercising and doing what we love, and dry needling is that one thing that can help restore motion in the least amount of time. Your movements are going to just feel more fluid. You're going to work out without pain. What is that like? Working out and running, feeling so great. We all want that. We all want to exercise at our full capacity and get back to competing, performing, and enjoying our sports and our lives. When I help them restore hope, knowing that there's something out there that can help them with their muscular pain, just makes my day. I just feel like I'm in great purpose, because helping people be happier and feel better in their body to do the thing that they love doing is what I love doing. We only have one body. Our healthcare system tells us we need to maybe use pills or creams for certain pains. We need to get to the root of the problem, and that's what dry needling does. And that's what I really, really get excited about, is helping patients go from the Western medicine route to this holistic, natural pain solution route. Just sitting here talking with you makes me want to put in a dry needle in my neck.